My boyfriend wants to go 50-50 with bills. How can I avoid this? Get a new boyfriend that don't want to go 50-50 on bills. That ain't your boyfriend, that's your roommate. Start calling him roommate, move into a different room, and put a lock on your door. Period. That's how you do that. And start dating. Alright?
YouTube! Good evening, fellas. Ferocious Mgtow here. I decided to come at you all with another one now that I done pulled over and I'm in the mix of taking my 10-hour break. I'm somewhere in Wisconsin. Got me a good park. And I'm finna enjoy me some coconut water while I talk to you guys. Well, my favorite BW, post-wall BW, is at it again. And I took a little bit of snippet from one of her answers to a subscriber that put in the chat to get her advice on something, and I just happened to catch her answer, and I just wanted to know what you guys think. I already know what I think, you know what I mean, but I'm gonna let you all hear it, and more likely I'm gonna put it at the beginning. So it's gonna be at the beginning. It's gonna be the first thing you all hear, and so you can see this is what these women be talking about. Now, this hasn't happened to me, but I do know of people this has happened to. You know what I mean? Now, when it did happen, it sort of happened to me with my second wife. After she got that job as a Cook County sheriff, she came home tripping after 30 days, and she just volunteered herself to sleep on the couch. You dig? So since I knew what she was doing, I allowed her. And then when she came to me asking about the bills, I told her I wasn't paying another bill in that house. And I didn't. So she thought I was just, you know, upset or whatever. You dig? So I guess she felt like, okay, I'm gonna give him this little peace leaf. Shout out Coach Greg Adams. I'm gonna give him this little peace leaf, and maybe he'll pay the bill. So she gave it to me, and I gladly accepted it. And when she doubled back on me in a day and a half, 2 days later, talking about, okay, what the money for the bills? I told her, what did I tell you? I told you I wasn't paying another bill in this house. And she thought the fact that she gave me some sex that all of a sudden that I was gonna change my mind. I just played along. Okay? But see, this is what these women don't want to do. They don't want to build with you. That's why when I hear guys saying, oh, she wants to build with me, I'm going to marry her and we're going to build together. That's not what these women are on right now. Okay? They're on some level up stuff. They're not on building nothing. They want you to build Wakanda, and then they want to just come in and rule it and then put you out of it. Use the courts and men with guns that we call popos to put you out of it. They have no intention on helping you build nothing. And that's basically what this, the answer that she gave. Okay? The guy is saying, hey, let's go 50-50. That way they both can have money. Okay? Maybe he planning on doing something. Maybe trying to buy a new car. Maybe he's trying to pay a student loan. Maybe he's, you know, he has a sick mother. Who knows why he's suggesting it's 50-50. And at the same time, if she living by herself, she will have to pay 100% of the bills anyway. So what's wrong with going 50-50? But this woman is saying, okay, he's considered a roommate. That's not your boyfriend. He's a roommate. And that she should change the lock on her door and start dating. Like some man gonna allow that. She knows this woman is setting these women up to get killed, if you ask me, or get harmed. How you gonna be a guy's girlfriend, and then all of a sudden you've been doing one thing for the longest time, and all of a sudden you come in one day and just switch up because of some junk some lady on the internet told you. Then you come to this man and switch up, then tell her to start dating. Man, please. Hey, this woman gonna get some people ginsued up. I don't know if y'all guys remember ginsu. Ginsu was one of them really sharp knives that they used to have on infomercials here in the United States. You international guys, you want to look some stuff up, look up Ginsu knives. And it's amazing that ain't nobody got ginsued up. Messing around, listening to this post-wall Scragg. You never know what this dude is trying to do, what he's trying to build. So you mean tell me women shouldn't help guys build nothing? Just take. All you gotta do is look pretty, and everything's supposed to be taken care of for you. And any money you do make, you get to keep and do whatever you want to do with it. Never mind generational wealth. Never mind creating businesses. Never mind getting any investments. Forget all that. I'm investing hair, nails, fake up, dresses, shoes, purses. Okay? Jewelry. Stuff that don't mean nothing outside of the value that it holds with that individual woman. So forget generational wealth, forget starting businesses, forget entrepreneurship, forget investments, things that appreciate in value. Screw all that. I don't want to help you build nothing. All I want you to do is pay everything for me so I can look pretty, go around my little Scragg girlfriends and prance around and share war stories on how I'm finessing better than you finessing. Yo guy. This is basically what she's telling these ladies. This is how you level up. It's disgusting. I don't get it. These women is crazy. That's why I say, guys, we have to be on our own grind. We got to be on our purpose. We got to get out here and make it happen for ourselves. Anything we build needs to benefit us. Let these Scraggs fend for themselves. Y'all can fight over the remaining simps. Because men of purpose, men of substance, men of value, high earning men, we ain't going for this no more. Let's see y'all level up and fight over the remaining simps. And let's see how that's going to work out for these women. Because they in for a rude awakening. They thinking, you gotta just put a lock on your door, girl. And y'all roommates and start dating. Guess what? And high value men ain't finna date you. The minute you tell one of us that type of story, oh, I got a boyfriend, he want me to pay 50-50 on bills. So I put a lock on my door, and now we just roommates, and now I'm out here dating. I would gladly excuse myself from the table, make it seem like my stomach is hurting or something, and I'd go to the bathroom, pay my half of the tab, leave a little small tip, and dip out the back. Sure would. Just on the mere fact that she telling me that type of story. What kind of high value man you think you're gonna get once he finds out this is what you're doing? See, this woman telling her some advice that's basically flawed, one, and that the stuff is outdated. We didn't level up. We didn't got wise, okay? We understand that y'all about this level up, all about self, and want us to build Wakanda so you could just come in and take it over and then put us out of it. We ain't dumb no more, so we are wise. So this woman giving them what they call it, obsolete information, because she gonna do that to that guy and then think she gonna come out here in the dating marketplace and somebody gonna show her some love and pay 100% of the bills when you doing this to a guy. Nah, these women setting y'all up for failure. But I just wanted to bring y'all that, guys, because I just couldn't wait. I couldn't wait to just hold this in all night, because I'd have been and forgot what I wanted to say. I was so heated. That's why I had to calm down before I started talking to y'all. Let me open up this freaking coconut water. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to bring that to you guys. In the comment section, let me know what you think. I think I'm on the right path with this, and I'm quite sure that you all are thinking the same thing I'll be thinking. But look, it's finna get ready to rain here in Wisconsin. I got me a good spot, so I'll be off tomorrow. I'll be at the gym hitting it hard. I see you guys at the gym hitting it hard too, I'm sure. But okay, guys, love you. Peace and hair grease.